Hey guys, Aaron Entertainment here, bringing you a video here. Come check me down below. Twitter, Aaron J's fan. YouTube, Aaron Entertainment. Sports shows. It's all about wrestling every Monday. It's about to pop Thursdays. What about sports? Fridays and Saturdays. Come check me out. But this is a special video. This is a hobby box unpacking of 2021 opening day for MLB season. Take a look here. Now, it says here, I don't think you can say, but look for an autographed relic card. So that's what I'll be doing here. Now let's open it up, guys. Let's see what we get. How many packs are in here? I'm not sure how many packs, but oh look, I just got this today. Let's go check them out. Let's see who I get in these I'm packing. Okay, first up, base cut, Mike Soroka of the Atlanta Braves. Nolan Arenado. Yes, it says it's a Colorado picture here, but he's on the St. Louis Cardinals now, so they haven't updated that. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. of the Toronto Blue Jays. Legends of Baseball cards. Stan Musial, Hall of Famer, St. Louis Cardinals legend. Carlos Correa of the Houston Astros. And finally, pitching prospect, Cisco Sanchez of the Florida Marlins or Miami Marlins. And Reese Hopkins of the Philadelphia Phillies. So far, that's one pack. Next. I actually ordered this yesterday late last night and it came in today. Amazing, huh? Let's see. Max Scherzer of the Washington Nationals. Christian Yelich of the Milwaukee Brewers. Justin Upton of the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. Justin Upton. And a mascot card, Mariner Moose of Seattle Mariners. Yeah, whatever. Jose Abreu of the Chicago White Sox. Almost said Cubs there. Jorge Soler of the Kansas City Royals. Casey, top pitching prospect of the Detroit Tigers, Casey Mize. Let's go. Open up another pack. There's 7 cards per pack. Chadwick Trump of the San Francisco Giants. Ian Happ of the Chicago Cubs. Jacob deGrom of the New York Mets. You all know Jacob deGrom. Legends of Baseball card. Derek Jeter. Manny Machado of the San Diego Padres. Garrett Cole of the New York Yankees. Brandon Bilek of the Houston Astros. That's my third pack. Let's open up another pack. Marcell Ozuna of the Atlanta Braves. Andre Gimenez. He's a Met here, but he's been traded to Cleveland, part of the Lindor trade. Patrick Corbin of the Washington Nationals. Dalton Varsho of the Arizona Diamondbacks. Outstanding opening day card, legend card of Billy Williams, Chicago Cubs, 1971. Ramon Laureano of the Oakland Athletics. I almost said Atlanta there. Tyler Stevenson of the Cincinnati Reds. Cody Bellinger of the LA Dodgers, Los Angeles Dodgers. Nico Horner of the Chicago Cubs. Dylan Carlson of the St. Louis Cardinals. Humberto Mejia of the Arizona Diamondbacks, if I said the name. An Oakland Athletics 2021 opening day card. I don't know. Josh Bell, it says here, is a part of Pittsburgh Pirates. No, he's been dealt to Washington, so he's on Washington now. Aaron Nola of the Philadelphia Phillies. Just remember that some of these cards some of these pictures have been taken last year, and some of these players may have their old uniform and on the side of their old team. I'll tell you what teams are on now, if any of them moved, as I've been doing. Kyle Lewis, Topps AL rookie. Kyle Lewis of the Seattle Mariners. Jose Ramirez of the Cleveland Indians, or the Cleveland team, not the Indians now. Gavin Lux, future stars of the LA Dodgers, Los Angeles Dodgers. Opening day mascot card, Mr. Mets of the New York Mets. James Carpellian of the Oakland Athletics, I hope I said it right. Sonny Gray of the Cincinnati Reds. And finally, this pack, Luis Roberts, rookie card, Topps rookie from last year of the Chicago Red Sox. Look for autograph and relic cards. That's what I'm looking for, guys. Relic and autograph cards. Carter Kieboom of the Washington Nationals, one of their top prospects. Keston Hiura of the Milwaukee Brewers. Chris Sale of the Boston Red Sox. Legends of Baseball, legendary twin Kirby Puckett. Nick Heath of the Kansas City Royals. Josh Donaldson of the Minnesota Twins. Danny Santana of the Texas Rangers. Mike Brasso of the Tampa Bay Rays. Buster Posey of the San Francisco Giants. A better card of Ramon Arellano of the Oakland A's. Mascot of the Toronto Blue Jays. Yasmin Grandel of the Chicago White Sox. Alex Gordon, who just retired, of the Kansas City Royals. Tarek Skubal of the Detroit Tigers. Blake Snell of now the San Diego Padres. This is a Tampa Bay picture and has the plate of Tampa Bay here, but he's part of the San Diego Padres. Joey Bart of the San Francisco Giants, a top prospect catcher, and one of the top prospects catchers in the majors and the minors. Craig Campbell of the Chicago Cubs. Alex Virago of the Boston Red Sox. Legends of Baseball, Jackie Robinson, baby, Jackie Robinson. Fernando Tatis Jr. of the San Diego Padres. Aaron Judge of the New York Yankees. Jack Flaherty of the St. Louis Cardinals. Sorry, I blanked there for a second. Luis Garcia of the Washington Nationals. Caleb Smith of the Arizona Diamondbacks. Philadelphia Phillies opening day card. Not really mean anything. Christian Javier of the Houston Astros. Colin Moran of the Pittsburgh Pirates. Miguel Cabrera of the Detroit Tigers. Anthony Rizzo of the Chicago Cubs. John Meeks of the Baltimore Orioles. Evan Wright of the Seattle Mariners. Rafael DeVeers of the Boston Red Sox. Rangers captain mascot for the Texas Rangers. Luis Patino, who just got traded in the Blake Snell deal this offseason, now in Tampa Bay. Nick Senzo of the Cincinnati Reds. I just want to make sure I said it right. Mookie Betts of the Los Angeles Dodgers. Christian Pache of the Atlanta Braves. Austin Mays, Baltimore Orioles. Special card of Yasmil Grandal, Chicago White Sox. Outstanding opening day card of Clayton Kershaw of the LA Dodgers. DJ LeMahieu of the New York Yankees. George Springer of the now Toronto Blue Jays. This is the Houston card, but he's a Blue Jay now. Teoscar Hernandez of the Toronto Blue Jays. Willie Adames of the Tampa Bay Rays. Kyber Ruiz of the LA Dodgers. Legends of Baseball, all-time base stealer record holder, Ricky Henderson. Eloy Jimenez of the Chicago White Sox, who's out for basically more than half the year. Edward Aloriveros of the Kansas City Royals. Kenta Maeda of the Minnesota Twins. I got a lot more. Whoa. Brandon Wardoff of the Milwaukee Brewers. Adrian Rios of the LA Dodgers. Freddie Freeman of the Atlanta Braves. Legends baseball card, Willie Mays. Top prospect for the White Sox, Nick Madrigal. I'll have to listen to his name more. Alberto Mondesi of the Kansas City Royals. Jose Barrios of the Minnesota Twins. Another Max Scherzer card. Not a Christian Yelich. You're going to be doubles, or maybe even triples. Chadwick Trump. Anthony Rendon of the LA Angels of Anaheim. Houston Astros opening day for this season. Chris Paddock of the San Diego Padres. And Alberto Abreu of the New York Yankees. Once again, Mike Soroka of the Atlanta Braves. Nolan Arenado. He's St. Louis Cardinal now, guys. Not Milwaukee. Our boy Vladdy Guerrero Jr. Second card, of course. Thank you for the Fun Light Heroes card. Nick Neidhart of the Florida Marlins, Miami Marlins. JT Realmuto of the Philadelphia Phillies. Matt Chapman of the Oakland Athletics. Francisco Lindor of the now New York Mets, not Indians, as this picture shows, or Cleveland team, whatever. Corey Seager of the LA Dodgers, Los Angeles Dodgers. Shohei Ohtani of the LA Angels of Anaheim. Outstanding opening day card, Pudge Rodriguez, Ivan Rodriguez, the Texas Rangers card here. Future stars for the Texas Rangers, Nick Solak. Deivi Garcia of the New York Yankees. Jose Altuve of the Atlanta Braves. Where is the special card, relic or autograph card? Give me it! Once again, Ian Happ of the Chicago Cubs. Once again, Jacob deGrom of the Mets. JD Martinez of the Boston Red Sox. Legends of Baseball, the legendary Raul Clemente of the Pittsburgh Pirates. Mike Clevenger of the San Diego Padres. Nick Castellanos of the Cincinnati Reds. And Dylan Cease of the Chicago White Sox. Chris Bryant, the Chicago Cubs. Paul Goldschmidt of the St. Louis Cardinals. Steven Strasburg of the Washington Nationals. Wally the Green Monster, the Boston Red Sox mascot. Jose Urquidy of the Houston Astros. I'm sorry if I pronounced that last name wrong. Jesus Sanchez of the Miami Marlins. Bryce Harper of the Philadelphia Phillies. I'm almost done. This is a long video. Ryan Castellani of the Colorado Rockies. Calvin Biggio of the Toronto Blue Jays. Austin Meadows of the Tampa Bay Rays. Bobby Dellenbach of the Boston Red Sox. Legends of Baseball, Seattle Mariner legend, Ichiro. Trevor Bauer now in the LA Dodgers, but this is a Reds card, but he's now in the LA Dodgers now. Los Angeles Dodgers. Yohan Mikado of the Chicago White Sox. Yeah, I got a lot of cards here. Another Blake Snell, San Diego Padres once again. Joey Bart again, San Francisco Giants. He's one of the top prospects catchers. Craig Campbell of the Cubs again. Tampa Bay Rays opening day card. Chris Bubick of the Kansas City Royals. Max Kepler of the Minnesota Twins. Ralph Odor of the Texas Rangers, who just got cut from the team yesterday. Kyle Lewis once again from the Seattle Mariners. Jose Ramirez once again, Cleveland. Galvin Lux. Joe Adell, top prospect of the LA Angels of Anaheim. Chicago Cubs opening day. Brady Singer of the Kansas City Royals. Nelson Cruz of the Minnesota Twins. Future Stars card of Cleveland team Jason Karachak, I think that's his name. Justin Turner of the LA Dodgers, Los Angeles Dodgers. Agado Rodriguez of the Boston Red Sox. Blooper Atlanta Braves mascot. Corey Kluber, not on the Yankees, not on the Rangers, guys. Gary Sanchez of the New York Yankees. Justin Verlander of the Houston Astros. I'm almost done. Almost done. Whoops, I dropped. Once again, Cody Bellinger of the LA Dodgers. Nick Holner of the Chicago Cubs. Future star Zach Gallen, the Arizona Diamondbacks. Yeah. Don't know what this card is. Matt Olson of Oakland Athletics. Zach Greinke of the Houston Astros. Zach Greinke. Jesus Aguilar of the Miami Marlins. Marcell Ozuna, Atlanta Braves. I already have this card. I showed you guys. Andres Jimenez of the Cleveland Indians now, not New York Mets. Patrick Corbin of the Washington Nationals. Legends of Baseball, Cincinnati legendary catcher Johnny Bench. Starling Marte of the Miami Marlins. Future stars Alec Boehm of the Philadelphia Phillies. And Marcus Semien, now of the Toronto Blue Jays, not Oakland, as you see in the picture. Man, I'm going to just sort this out. There's a lot of cards here. I don't know how many there are. Good lord. Ozzy Altuve of the Atlanta Braves. Right here. Trevor Story of the Colorado Rockies. Once again, Teoscar Hernandez, Toronto Blue Jays. Albert Pujols is retired in the year, Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. Opening Albert Pujols when he was on St. Louis back in 2010. Rafael Iglesias. Not with the Reds anymore, he's with the Angels, Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. Tim Anderson, Chicago White Sox. Mike Brasso of the Tampa Bay Rays. Buster Posey once again, San Francisco Giants. Once again, Anthony Rizzo, Chicago Cubs. Cleveland mascot Slider. Jacob Junis of the Kansas City Royals. Or Jacob. Isaac Paredes of the Detroit Tigers. Joey Gallo of the Texas Rangers. Willie Adames, the Tampa Bay Rays. Cabert Ruiz, Kansas City Royals, so I'll do that. Andrew Benintendi, not Boston, he's with Kansas City now. Nice blue card, Paul Goldschmidt. Legendaries baseball pitcher, Randy Johnson, when he was in Arizona. Giancarlo Stanton, New York Yankees. Alex Bregman of the Houston Astros. Chris Bryant, once again, Chicago Cubs. Paul Goldschmidt, St. Louis Cardinals. Steven Strasburg, Washington Nationals. Opening day for Chicago White Sox. Eddie Alvarez, Miami Marlins. Nico Goodman, Detroit Tigers. Future stars Trent Grisham, the San Diego Padres. Once again, Dylan Carlson, St. Louis Cardinals. Carter Kefbaum, Washington Nationals. Keston Hiura, Milwaukee Brewers. Legends of Baseball, St. Louis legendary shortstop Ozzie Smith. Beau Burrows, Detroit Tigers. Adrian Morejon, San Diego Padres. Sorry if I get the last name wrong. Joey Votto, Cincinnati Reds. Once again, Jack Flaherty, St. Louis Cardinals. Luis Garcia, once again, Washington Nationals. Andrade Simmons, now with the Minnesota Twins. Nice card of Kirby Ruiz, Kansas City Royals. Washington Nationals opening day card. Doesn't mean anything. Dane Dewey of Chicago White Sox. I think Dane Dewey got traded to the Texas Rangers for Lance Lynn. Salvatore Perez for Kansas City Royals. Dane Dewey. Once again, Brandon Woodruff of the Milwaukee Brewers. Edwin Rios, Los Angeles Angels. Freddie Freeman once again, Atlanta Braves. Chicago Cubs mascot Clark. Miguel Sano of the Minnesota Twins. Leodo Taveras of Texas Rangers. Galbi Torres of the New York Yankees. Mookie Betts, LA Dodgers, I think you've seen that already. Christian Pache, Atlanta Braves, you've seen that already. Austin Mays, Baltimore Orioles. Is Xander Bogaerts, Boston Red Sox. Legends of Baseball, San Diego legend, Padre legend, Tony Gwynn. Houston Astros player, Yonder Alvarez, Houston Astros. Miguel Rojas, Miami Marlins. Now only 2 packs left. Ryan Castellani, Colorado Rockies, Donom. Kevin Biggio, Milwaukee, Toronto Blue Jays. Austin Miles once again, Tampa Bay Rays. Legendary St. Louis player, slugger Mark McGwire, Oakland legendary too. Spencer Howard, Philadelphia Philly. Mark Canha, Kanha, whatever, of Oakland A's, Oakland Athletics. Arcistides Aquino, sorry, first name butchered. Cincinnati Reds. And the last pack, there's another. Last 2 packs. Let's see if I get any special cards or not. And oh yes. So what happened is I got a mascot card, Bernie Brewer of the Milwaukee Brewers, and I got a Diamond Relics card, Javier Baez, with dirt in it. From the actual diamond. Wow. From Wrigley Field. Game used dirt. Legendary Wrigley Field too, man. Now before I end this, last card. John Meeks, Baltimore. Evan White, Seattle Mariners. Mike Trout, Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. Freebird, St. Louis Cardinals mascot. Luis Castillo, pitcher for Cincinnati Reds. Cody Huauer for Chicago White Sox. Finally Whit Merrifield for Kansas City Royals. So those are all my cards. So I got this relic card. I showed you a minute ago. Javier Baez, Chicago Wrigley Field relic card. The dirt from Wrigley Field. Amazing. It's a legendary ballpark. So thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe down below. And thanks.